How to recover Crypto.com's password. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your password on Crypto.com. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right in. The very first thing you want to do is open up your web browser and simply search for Crypto.com. And right on the top right corner, you have two options. If you're new, you can sign up, but if you already have an account, you can simply click on login to directly log into your account. And you'll be taken to a different login portal here. You can log in using the QR if you have the app on your phone, but if you don't have it, you can just simply enter your email. So go ahead and enter your email address. They will send you a verification code, so you don't necessarily have to enter the password. Now, as you can see here, the email has been sent to my account, so you'll just have to verify via email. You don't really need to reset the password, but if you really want, you can have the application on your phone, and you can log in from there easily without having to enter the password or the code. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up my Gmail here. And once you verify your account from your Gmail, then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.